Sadie Sink loves donuts, so now her fans love donuts. At first, Sadie's love for donuts was rare, but now everyone has donuts, so no rare anymore. Demand pull inflation. Everyone wants donuts, but the donut man doesn't change his supply. So price donut go up because donut is valuable. Cost push inflation. If the fans calm down and just Sadie comes to buy, but the donut man has less donuts to sell, then price go up because donuts are now more rare. Production cost inflation. Sadie tries a brand new donut. Sadie loves this donut. Sadie shared this donut moment online with her fans. Now all fans want this particular donut. But now, the donut man doesn't have any donuts left, so he has to make more. But the ingredients for donuts have become more expensive, so the donut man has to raise his price to cover costs. Monetary inflation. Sadie just got paid a little few millions. She comes by and wants a donut, and the donut man has these donuts. But he realizes that she now has a lot more bank. So the donut man will ask more for one donut, because money is now less valuable. Hyperinflation. It's an economic crisis. Sadie Sink hasn't had a good pay in a while, so government decides to create more money, so Sadie can buy more donuts. She does, but the donut man now raises the prices to keep up with demand. So the government makes more money, but the donut man has to raise his prices to keep up with demand. So the government prints even more money, but the donut man has to raise his prices to keep up with demand. So the government, but inflation isn't always bad. See, if Sadie's rate of income goes up the same as the donuts, then she is very happy. If Sadie's rate of income goes up, but the donut price stays the same, then she is rich. But if Sadie's rate of income stays the same and the donut price go up, Sadie Sink will be Sadie sad, since she cannot afford donut. To avoid inflation, Sadie should invest her own donuts so that she can make more donuts with time. Because of that, please subscribe.